Hello, I'm Michael DeMaria from Azima DLI. Azima DLI is a vibration products, hardware, and software, and a global condition monitoring services company. We're here at MVAC debuting our latest version of our automated diagnostic software, Expert Alert, and our latest generation of our Trio data collector. This is a HAZLOC rated vibration expert analyzer. The way that our system works is we use a Bluetooth pairing for safety. Bluetooth 4-channel simultaneous input plus a dedicated tachometer that's connected to a machine. Bluetooth to the controller so we can collect data at safe distances. And then what makes Azima DLI unique is our automated diagnostic software. Scrubs through the data using a rule-based, not a modeling system, rule-based system, so we have a really good understanding of what the condition of the machine is. Helps an analyst prioritize what's going on. All that gets delivered to a cloud so you can get more people involved and effective decisions made. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dan Goodrich, a manager with CTC Vibration Analysis Hardware and Machinery Protection Instrumentation. Today we're here displaying our lifetime warranty products that are all made in the USA. These are specifically for industrial use, whether it's paper, power, steel, petrochem, mining, you name it. We build a product that will withstand the environment, again, for machinery protection or vibration analysis. A couple of examples of what we have today here are going to be our non-contact eddy current proximity probes. We also have a line of signal conditioners, high temperature accelerometers, various versions of accelerometers, even triaxial accelerometers and dual temperature accelerometers. And we also have multiple methods of attaching these sensors to the different pieces of machinery. We also have a brief overview of our 4 to 20 milliamp solutions and industry-specific catalogs or brochures. You can find all of this information about our products on our website at www.ctconline.com. Thanks.
Okay, so hello, my name is Bruno. I'm from EGF. We are a service provider with a very interesting products portfolio. Besides providing services, maintenance-related services, we also have the data collector that we developed. It is a single-channel and balancing data collector. It does vibration analysis, and we developed the software for this unit and the software that we use on the PC for the analysis. The head shell is our design as well. It has the electronics for it, and this is our handheld, very reliable, very tough unit that you can use for vibration analysis, full vibration analysis. Today we have over 150 employees. We are almost 30 years old, and we are expanding to the world. We're already providing services worldwide. We have a whole range of maintenance-related services, and I believe that people here at the conference will find us very aggressive in terms of pricing out as well. And you know, this is EGF. I mean, we do dynamic monitoring, transfer technology, which is our training. We do maintenance planning, we do vibration analysis, everything related to maintenance and reliability in general. So, thank you.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm with Airbus Reliability Instruments. We are a 35-year-old company from upstate New York with manufacturing in Mexico as well as France and United States here in New York. We're here at the IMVAC conference in Orlando this year, sponsoring and showing our balancing and vibration analysis equipment. This is our EI30, our benchtop balancing system designed for superchargers and turbochargers. It can handle up to 30 kilograms of weight as well as rotor sizes up to 24 inches in diameter. So we build balancing machines and have been doing it for 35 years, from 30 kilograms all the way up to 20,000 kilograms. In addition to our balancing machines and balancing software and systems, we manufacture our Digivibe interface, which is a USB or wireless interface that connects to any Windows tablet, and you can do 2-plane or single-plane dynamic balancing in the field, static balancing in the field, or on a balancing machine. In addition to that, it has many vibration analysis features like gear match frequencies, bearing database, cross-channel phase, operational deflection shape, and many other things. We also have our online monitoring system. This is our 12-channel EIMU. It's our online monitoring system for continuous monitoring of critical assets. And we also work in the alignment space with our belt and shiv alignment tool and our shaft alignment tool. So if you're interested in learning more about us, we'd be happy to talk to you. So feel free to check us out online at airbestreliability.com. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Adrian Messer with HUY Systems, and we're here at the IMVAC conference in Orlando, sponsored by Mobius. And we've been around for 43 years, and we make ultrasonic testing instruments that are used for a variety of applications. We have compressed air and gas leak detection, steam trap inspection, electrical inspection, and bearing and mechanical inspections, including condition-based lubrication of bearings to where we can prevent over and under lubrication of bearings using ultrasound. It's based off of a concept of friction to where if you have a bearing that is in need of lubrication, there will be an increase in high-frequency sound that's detected by the instrument. If we're lubricating that bearing and it needs grease, we'll see the decibel level fall back down to a more normal level, and then we stop greasing. If the bearing doesn't need grease and already is sufficiently lubricated, then as soon as we start to apply grease, we'll start to see that decibel level increasing, indicating that we need to stop greasing. The bearing already has enough grease. I'm actually speaking today at the conference on slow-speed bearing monitoring using ultrasound. And then aside from making the instruments, we also do training. So we do offer a level 1, level 2 certification in ultrasound. We also have an online compressed air inspector course, and then we're going to release in the next few days an online mechanical ultrasound inspection course. So if you want to know more about HUY Systems, go to www.huysystems.com.
Hello there, my name is Andrew Bridges. I'm with Photon. We manufacture high-speed cameras for slow motion analysis. And by that meaning we can record at speeds ranging from hundreds, thousands, even millions of frames per second, and then replay at conventional television rates of about 30 frames per second, so that all the action is slowed down, enabling you to see exactly what happened. We offer a wide range of cameras from our mini range. These can be 1.3 megapixel up to 6,400 frames per second. A small, compact, high-G camera, taking either the Nikon FG mount or the threaded C mount, so if you needed to put it on a microscope or a boroscope, you could easily do so. We offer larger cameras such as our FastCam SA5 here. These are 1 megapixel resolution to about 1.5 million, though we can go 2.1 million with our SAZ camera. A larger camera, more memory, so you're able to make longer record times, a little more flexibility, and greater light sensitivity. Our current cameras can actually have a qualified ISO rating of up to 50,000, which means that you need less light to see what's happening, or you can use greater depth of focus or faster shutter times. Cameras that connect to a simple gigabit Ethernet to your laptop, so you're able to review the images, download them and analyze them afterwards. DC powered, video out, and a lot of other connectivity so that we can synchronize to any external equipment you use. All of our cameras are able to be put into record mode, stay there for days, weeks until your intermittent problem occurs, and then capture the data upon receipt of a trigger signal, enabling you then to later analyze and see exactly what caused that costly vibration, product jam, or anything else. This is Andrew Bridges with Photon signing out from the IMVAC 2016 conference in Orlando.
Hi, Tom Honig here at the show in Orlando, Florida. What we're here doing is showing our new wireless sensor that connects to iPad technology for vibration analysis. We also have thermography, ultrasound, laser shaft alignment, and balancing, all with our wireless sensors. We can balance wirelessly, do vibration data collection throughout a plant, etc., all on the iPad platform. And that's what we do at GTI.
Hi, good morning. My name is Peter Gasorczyk. I'm the Business Development Manager with AIMI Sensors. And this week at IMVAC, we're showcasing our accelerometers, which we manufacture. Here we have our low-cost accelerometers. typically used for trending purposes and used on permanently installed installations. Also have our precision accelerometers, which have a tighter tolerance and a wider frequency range for route-based measurements. We also have patented sensors like these here, which have the swiveler base and the fully molded cabling in there. And for those that like tri-axis for route-based measurements, also have those. Here to my left, we have our 4 to 20 vibration transmitters used for continuous monitoring and process control. And then to my far right are vibration switches, which can be used to monitor the vibration of a machine, and if the amplitude is too great, it'll trigger a relay or shut off the machine for maximum protection.
Hello, I am Matt. I work in HUY Sensors, which is a UK-based company. I'm responsible for European, Central European and North Europe market, and we recently opened an office in the US. We are the manufacturer of accelerometers and vibration sensors, plus accessories, which we manufacture in standard range and also very dedicated to our customers. Where we are strong at is our elasticity and good connection and relation with customers. So we meet the standard needs. We focus our job to understand how people use accelerometers and make them very, very useful for usage. As an example, we put a very, very big effort to high quality cables. So we have got an overbraided cable, we have got a polyurethane cable, we have got a silicon cable, we have got a high temperature cables, and we deliver, for example, a quick fit solution which enables to install a stud on the machine, which can be installed especially by OEMs, which enables people to use vibration sensors on newly delivered machines, because the installation of the sensor is much more expensive than sensor by itself. Usually when customer has got a machine and want to install it, so when you've got a stud on your machine, you just screw the sensor to the stud by 3/4 of the quarter turn, which enables you to have a good reading and better frequency response than on a magnet. We enable measurement points for people having handheld vibration data collectors, analyzers. So when your sensor is installed on the machine in the safety area where you cannot access, where is a high humidity or high temperature, you can still access the measurements through a BNC like this, or through a junction box, through a connection boxes and switch boxes. So you can have a separate BNCs or a switch to select the channel which you would like to take a measurement. We also provide accessories. The accessories can be an installation tool, which you can install the sensor in the good way, having a flat surface and perpendicularity between the thread and the base of the sensor. It's delivered as a complete set which you need for the installation purposes. We also deliver training materials for the installation companies, which can then make the installation to provide good readings, because it doesn't matter which data collector or online system you are using, still the base of the measurement is the sensor. And the most important bit is how you install the sensor to have a good reading, because this is on what you base your expertise. So you have to put attention. Our sensors, as a standard, has got a 140 degrees C temperature, which is high and which is good. And we also provide the data collector cables with 2 PMS or any connector which you have to have in your data collectors. So they are flexible, they are elastic, and they last long. As also the cables and the conduct for the protection. Where we are very strong and we have got a very good feedback is the paper mills, where the wet sections are a very big challenge for the sensors. And when you use the sensor, which is IP68 rated, it can be all covered with the pulp and still give you the good results over the years. So these sensors can be installed up to 100 meters underwater and still giving you the perfect results. As a rubber boot connectors, they are very good for installation purposes, giving you also high IP rating. And the last bit, which is very important, when you've got your sensors installed in the site, you have to check them if the bias level is good. So we have got accessories to verify the sensors on installation and also simulate the sensor to verify your measurement devices if all the measurements are doing well. Thank you very much, and please feel free to contact us, as we are very strongly putting a big attention for a relation and contact with customers, and we are working closely with partners, supporting them with their needs. Thank you.
I'm Mark Richardson, the president of Vibrant Technology, and we have a demonstration here of our AIMI software acquiring data off of this rotor kit, and we can do walk-around data collection with it. You can see here that the accelerometer is on here with a magnet, but I can move it to different points, and then over in the software I can tell it to acquire data. And AIMI is mainly for displaying an ODS. So you can see here that we have an ODS on the screen, an animation of the machine itself with data that I've taken just at a few of the accelerometer locations. And you can see the machine is moving around quite a bit, and the blue icons are where we've actually taken data, and then we can animate the entire picture with just a few points of data. You can see a little discrepancy in the data collected here, where the icons are moving different than the model. In the middle here is a portable data collection case that has a solid-state computer in it running AIMI scope and an analyzer down below. And so this can be taken out in the factory or in the field as a portable data collection and post-processing system. Our website is vibetech.com. You can go there. As I said, what we sell is the AIMI scope software for monitoring and post-processing. And we also sell these boxes with a solid-state computer and an analyzer in there, and we offer a lifetime warranty on the hardware. So really the product is the software, but we also sell it in a box, preloaded, ready to go for walk-around data collection or online monitoring. We can also add, this is all Microsoft-based, so we can add a phone modem to this computer, and then remotely put the database in the cloud. This has also got a database in here, a machine-based database, and we can store a lot of data for the machines that are being monitored.